Top 25 HTML meta tags every developer should know, syntax, usage, and best practices, all in one place. Meta tag basics and charset. Meta charset equals UTF-8 defines character encoding as UTF-8, supporting global characters. Meta HTTP equals XUA compatible content equals IE equals Edge ensures IE uses the latest rendering engine. Meta name equals robots content equals index, follow, controls how bots index the page. Meta name equals author content equals dash specifies the page's author. Viewport and responsive design. Meta name equals viewport, content equals width equals device width. Initial scale equals 1 sets the viewport for responsive layouts on all devices. Meta name equals format detection content equals telephone equals no prevents iOS from auto-detecting phone numbers. SEO and social media optimization. Meta name equals description, content equals dot. Gives a brief page summary for search engine snippets. Meta property equals OG, title, content equals dot. Defines the title shown in social media previews, open graph. Meta property equals OG, image, content equals dot. Sets the image for social media sharing. Browser and cache control. Meta HTTP equals cache control content equals no cache. Instructs browsers not to cache the page for fresh content each load. Meta HTTP equals refresh content equals 30. Refreshes the page automatically every 30 seconds, configurable. Meta HTTP equals content security policy content equals default src self. Defines security policies to prevent XSS and other attacks. Language and robots control. Meta name equals language, content equals ENUS sets the page's language, here, it's English, US. Meta name equals robots content equals index, follow tells search engines to index the page and follow links. Meta name equals Googlebot content equals Norchai prevents Google from showing a cached version of your page, keeping it fresh. Miscellaneous and advanced meta tags. Meta name equals format detection, content equals telephone equals no disables phone number auto-linking in Safari on iOS. Meta name equals theme color content equals hashtag 00000 sets the browser toolbar color on mobile devices. Meta name equals viewport fit content equals cover allows content to extend to the edges on iPhone 10 and newer. Summary and next steps. Master these meta tags. Boost website SEO, responsiveness, and security effectively. Incorporate best practices. Ensure your HTML is modern, optimized, and accessible. Subscribe for more dev tips. Stay updated with the latest web development insights.